Will you lay him back? If he'll stay long enough. He's like a springboard. Where do you think you're going? Why are you being so big? You need to sit back because you're baby. You need to sit back because you're a baby. You working them abs. You gonna have a 6-pack, baby.
I feel that I was said to be the best shooter on the team, but yet I was sent to elimination. So it made the win just that much sweeter.
Dylan, unfortunately, you have fired your last shot. You've now been eliminated from Top Shot.
You watching TV now?